This video is sponsored by Skillshare.
Welcome to Littlejohn's Yarns. Today we're going to do another crochet haul, this time related to crochet, fitness, and health.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Thank you for joining me here today. Before we get started, if you like the cup that I'm sipping from, Hooker for Hire, I have a lot more of these down in my crochet t-shirt shop. I'll leave all that information down in the description box below. So what we're going to be getting into today is crochet, fitness, and health related to your hands and what you can do to improve your dexterity and the strength of your hands and wrists. So I looked all over the internet and found a couple of things that could work for me and you. So this isn't my typical review where I open a product and I'm shocked to see what it is. These products I've tried all week long, so I can tell you exactly my opinion on them. And let me tell you this much, my hands are strong this week. I can probably flick a penny through a wall right now. So I'm not going to chit chat too much. We're going to hop right into this review. We'll begin after a brief word about our sponsors, which is a website that I absolutely love. It's pretty much able to teach me anything that I need to know, and it's called Skillshare. If you ever search for any online learnable information, then you probably come across Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of online classes in any skill that you can think of. You want to improve your crochet and knitting? They have a class for that. You want to start your own business? Then check out this class in entrepreneurship. Or you even want to venture into the world of YouTube? They got a class for it. The great thing about Skillshare, all you need to access this great wealth of information is $10. That's way cheaper than actually going someplace and paying for a pricey class. Since Skillshare is sponsoring this video and love all of us yarnies, they're offering 2 free months of classes that's at no risk to you. I'm going to leave all that information down in the description box below. So let's hop back into this review.
Number 1.
First, we are going to look at the Pano Gel Wrist Thumb Support Brace Therapy Wrist Hand Thumb Glove Waterproof Elastic Silicone Gel Wrist Support Brace for tendinitis. I hope I pronounced that right. Typing pain relief. All right, I've used many compression gloves in the past, and I really enjoy them because after crocheting too long, it relieves pain on my hand. I don't know why it does that, but it does. But I've used the blue ones. I think they're from Clover. I'm not sure. I'll leave a picture of what ones I purchased in the past, and I absolutely love them. So when I came across these, I'm like, woo, these are supposed to be like magical ones. They have little magnetic pieces installed right here that's supposed to be for acupuncture to relieve thumb pain. They say it's perfect for people who take yoga, CrossFit, Pilates, anybody with carpal tunnel. So I'll tell you exactly what I think of these. Those little beads on the inside that are supposed to be therapeutic and magnetic are right here and here. And you can, actually take these beads out. So this is the magical therapeutic magnet that's supposed to make all your pain go away. I don't know. It looks dangerous, choking hazard if it, a choking hazard if it falls out. But my kids are old and grown if they choke. My daughter's 18. She shouldn't be choking on anything off the floor. Okay, let's put this bad boy on my hand. This is extremely tight. I have very small wrists, almost like childlike wrists for my height. It's actually pretty strange. I'm going to put this on. You should actually see my ankles. They're even smaller. I'll show the picture of my ankles. It's extremely small. But regardless, side point. This thing is super tight on me, and I have very small wrists. I couldn't see it for anybody with like average size wrist, and it's uncomfortable. I wore it on and off while crocheting for the past week, and I was never able to wear it longer than 5 minutes because it's not compression. It's like hand suffocation. It is very uncomfortable. But I'm ready to give you the review on this bad boy. If you're looking for something to compress your hand to feel good while you're crocheting, oh God, this little thing is not it. On a scale of 1 to 5 balls of yarn, I'm going to give this 0 balls of yarn.
Number 2.
Okay, next we are going to look at the Supermax Wrist Power Gyroscope Ball with strengthener and forearm exercises for stronger arms, fingers, wrists, bones, and muscle. Okay, we all want stronger, all of those things. So when I came across this, I'm like, isn't this a super cute gadget? You guys know I love gadgets. It came in this little box right here with this big old muscle man on it. And instructions. So here it is. You get this ball and a little string that goes along with it. So what you do, you place the string inside and you pull it like a lawnmower. And if the gyroscope inside of it begins to work and shake, and you just move your wrist back and forth to keep that gyroscope spinning. The feeling that you get, you ever seen those infomercials for the shake weight where it feels real funny? That's kind of the feeling that I get when I'm shaking this. So I'm going to give you a demonstration and see how it works. It's definitely a learning curve. When I first tried it, I wanted to toss this thing out the window because I could not get it to work. But like I said, I checked a couple YouTube videos on how to work it, and you can definitely feel the burn in your fingers, wrist, and arm. So I'm going to give you a closer look at this and show you how I work it. Okay, as you can see, there's a little hole right there. For this hole, you place the red string inside and you thread it through. Okay, I have my red cord completely wrapped around my ball. And what you do, you pull it like a lawnmower. Okay, pull. And you just move your wrist back and forth. And the lights, you know it's working because the lights inside will begin to glow real bright red and multicolors. I don't know if you guys can see the lights. Maybe I turn it sideways. And ooh, girl, you can feel not pain, but you can feel the burn in your wrists, on your forearms, all the way up to your arms. You can change the position on how you hold it. Ooh, up and down. Oh yeah. Like I said, it doesn't look like much, but I'm definitely feeling the burn. And switch to the other side. I'm glad I'm wearing black because I'm getting like the worst pit stains right now. This little thing is super awesome. Woo! But you better hold on to it because it will jump out of your hand because the gyroscope got going one way and your hands are moving it the other way. So I'm ready to give you guys this review of this cool Supermax wrist-powered gyroscope. Let me get it to calm down so I can give you a review. All right, this little thing is super awesome. Before finding this online, I've never seen anything like it, and I definitely recommend it. If you do decide to get something like this, don't get frustrated. It is super hard when you first start it, but once you pick up how to do it, just remember, just turn your wrist up, down. Nothing complicated like this, up and down, and it'll work, and you learn how to move the gyroscope and the ball, and you'll just feel that burn. It feels really awesome. I've been using this bad boy all week. Like I said, I can probably flick a penny through a wall right now. I feel like extra strong. So you guys probably want the review of this cool little gyroscope gadget. On a scale of 1 to 5 balls of yarn, I'm going to give this bad boy 4 balls of yarn.
Number 3.
What we're going to look at next is called the Hand Grip Strengthener, Finger Exerciser, Grip Strength Trainer, 6-piece, new material, forearm grip, workout finger stretcher, relieves wrist pain, carpal tunnel, finger exerciser. All right, that's a long title. Of course, we want strong fingers so we can crochet longer and have no issues and pain. So this was the perfect solution for me. It came in a nice little pack like this, and it had 6 multiple colors. And I've noticed each color is like a different strength. So I noticed, here we go. What you have to do is put your thumb right here and your other 4 fingers in the top hole. I find putting my fingers into them holes a little bit inconvenient. Once again, my hands are minuscule for the height of my body. So if I have difficulty putting my fingers in here, my ring size is actually a size 5. That's how small my hands are. If I have difficulty, probably the average person will have difficulty too putting their fingers inside. But once they're inside, it is a nice workout. I can feel it all the way going out of my wrist, all the way up to my forearm. And if you have trouble getting your fingers in it, I learned a trick my husband taught me. You turn this bad boy inside out, where the holes are on the outside, and just put your hands inside like this. Don't even bother putting your hands inside of the hole. So like I said, I've been doing this type of exercise all week long. And I don't know, I can probably punch a hole in anything right now. My forearms and fingers and wrists and shoulders are super strong. And which these are nice because once you find one of the hand things are too easy, you can move up to another color and try a different strength or heaviness. Is not heavy. I don't know, but resistance, that's the word, resistance. You can try a different resistance. So I'm ready to give this one a review. On a scale of 1 to 5 balls of yarn, I am going to give this one 4 balls of yarn.
Number 4, bonus review.
All right, last but not least, we are going to look at the Farmy Doc Balance Ball Chair with back support for home and office with exercise ball, pump, removable back, and lockable wheels. All right, what I loved about this thing, it's bounceable. You can move on it while you're crocheting. I don't know, but I've noticed since I started intensely crocheting over the past couple years, the weight has slowly began to creep on, and to prevent the, horrible crochet butt, I wanted to get something where I can sit still and crochet, but not sit still and crochet. So I'm going to give a better camera angle and show you exactly what I got. Here is my wonderful exercise ball and chair. I absolutely love this thing. I can sit and bounce and crochet it on the same time. You guys need to see exactly what I'm doing on it. So I'm going to bring it on the camera so I can talk to you directly. You might not be able to see this chair in view, but you can definitely see me bouncing up and down on it. What I love about this chair, I can feel like I'm not being extremely lazy, that I can crochet and maybe eat a Snickers bar later. Okay, maybe not extreme, but it's nice not to be sitting so sedentary all the time. And to me, I like to believe it relieves crochet butt. So this is pretty awesome. I've had it for the past year and I use it all the time. I would definitely recommend getting one of these. I should probably stop bouncing up and down while I'm on camera. I don't want to make anybody nauseous while looking at me. I would definitely recommend getting one of these. I'm already ready to give you a rating on this because I've used it in the past before.
So if you give it
on
a
a
try,
scale of
make sure
1
you
to 5
comment
balls
down
of
below
yarn,
and
I
tell
will
me
give
everything
this
that
little
you've learned and
bouncy
what you love
chair
about Skillshare.
5 balls of yarn. If you enjoyed my haul and review and would love to see more, just let me know. And if you have any items that you always wanted to get yourself, tell me about them down in the description box below. Make sure you check out all of my other hauls. I'll leave all that information on the side of the screen somewhere. And I'll see you all on the very next haul or tutorial. Bye, guys.